Welcome back, my brilliant mathematicians. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's video with Miss Owsley talking about making our bundles of 10 and how many days it would take until we return to school. On the news recently, we found out that it's going to be a little bit longer than we first expected. Instead of it being 27 days, it would be 30 days or 31 days. So she worked out some problems with you and how to bundle or make groups of 10. Now, we worked with lines yesterday, or just drawing little tick marks on a page, and that took us a very long time. And Miss Elsie told us that there's much easier ways to do this by making groups of 10. But sometimes we've got to work through the harder way to understand the easier way. So today, we're going to take it back to our base 10 blocks. Now, you guys have seen these in our classroom in multiple forms, okay? Sometimes we have the magnets on the board. That is 1 rod and 1 unit cube. Remember, it takes 10 of these to make 1 of these, okay? So a group of 10 of these makes 1 group of 10. They're just all connected now, okay? One whole group. We also learned about our 10s and our 1s place, okay? So if we have a teen number or something larger than a teen number, such as 26, which is going to be our first number for today, that first digit is our teens place. And the second digit is our ones place. For place value, it works a little bit backwards. Usually we do everything from left to right, left to right. In place value, we start with our 1 coming from the right, then our 10s, we keep going left, 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 okay? So if we had 100th place, it would be over there, and we would go 1s place, 10s place, 100th place. But right now, we're just talking about our 10s and our 1s. So we want to know, for the number 26, how many bundles or rods or groups of 10 would it take to make? I want you guys to show me using our base 10 format. That means that we're using a rod and a unit cube to show, okay? Now, if you need to, you can always draw out those ticks like Miss Owsley did. We know that's going to take us a long time, but it'll help us understand that 10 of these make 1 of these, okay? So I'm going to start with drawing out our 26 lines for today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Phew, that's a lot of lines. Now we're going to bundle them up. 9, and then I have 10. That's our first group of 10. It looks like I may have enough to make another group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I'm going to go like this and make our second group of 10. And then it looks like, do you think we'll have enough to make another group? No, I don't think so either. So let's see what we have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now, that shows us that there are 2 10s and 6 1s. So now we need to show this in base 10 format. It makes it so much easier than counting these little lines. To do base 10 format, all I'm going to do is draw 2 of my rectangular shapes to show my rods, or my 2 groups of 10, and then 6 unit cubes to show my ones place, okay? So let's see what that looks like. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. So now you can see that I have 2 long rectangles and 6 smaller squares. Our rectangles are our unit our rods, and our squares are our unit cubes. Always keep that in mind. Ones are shown by the unit cubes, and groups of 10 are shown by the rods. So when counting this, it's important to remember that you need to switch count. What I mean by that is you're going to start counting by tens. That's why it's so important that you do that spiral review video that we send out, counting by tens. Okay? Because the numbers are going to get bigger and bigger, and counting by tens is going to help us get there more quickly. We're going to start counting by tens with our first rod. We have 10, 20, then we're going to switch and go back to the ones. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So this is equal to 26, this is equal to 26, and that is 26. We want to see it this way. Our next number for today to practice with is the number 19, okay? How would we draw 19 in base 10 format? So I'm not going to draw all these lines anymore because I see that took me way too long. I'm going to look at my number and I see that the number 19, because it's my teen number, and we know teen numbers always start with a 1. That 1 means that it has one group of tens. You guys got it. So I'm going to draw my one group of tens. And then I've got my tens place covered. Now I need to draw how many ones I have left over. It shows me I have 9. That means I don't have enough to make another rod. So I need to draw 9 single blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See how quick that was? I have a few other numbers that I would like for you guys to practice on your own, okay? Our next number is 34 and 40. We don't want to make our numbers too big and grow too quickly. I want to give you guys a chance to make sure you really, really understand this as we continue to move on. Remember to always take a look at your tens place and your ones place. You're going to always want to do your tens place first. So draw your rods first, okay? We're going to get into more practice about our place value tomorrow. Please let me know if you have any questions and send me a picture of your completed work and showing me 34 and 40 in base 10 format. Okay? I'll see you guys tomorrow.